Hey, what's going on, everyone? Mike from Iron Nation Garage. It is snowing out here up in eastern Pennsylvania. Pretty stoked. I am late on getting some of my winter equipment out and ready, so we're going to do our transfer. We were down seeing the mouse down there, so it took me a little bit longer to get everything ready. So I got to do it now while everything's snowing. So gotta love it. So we're going to get the zero turn, get that put in the garage, keep that there temporarily, get the van out of the garage, and then I got some other project tractors that we're messing with. Pull those in here, and then plow tractor has to come out. I've got my weight box. I got to get that. So we might have to do some plowing today. We'll take you through it in the video. All right, we got Elizabeth's minivan out. Let's see if we can put the old girl sideways. It's an all-wheel drive. I don't know if it'll go sideways or not, but now we're gonna move on to zero turn and Lincoln. Whoops. You gotta love donuts with a Z930 in the snow. I think we have about 3 inches. I just did a nice little compaction, so that'll make it a lot better to plow, right? That's great. Whatever. Gotta have fun with it. All right, what else we got? Junk tractors I gotta get moved out of here. This old junk Murray. Let's get that junk Murray. We gotta get that thing out. My good friend Dougie's. Don't tell him it's junk, okay? Don't tell him it's that. I like it, but you can't sell that thing for anything, unfortunately. No one wants a 1995 Murray, okay? If you want one, let me know. We've had it for sale. We'll let it go pretty cheap. Let me know if you're interested. All right, we got to get back to that Craftsman back there. That's the next thing. We got to get that out. Let's get my plow on. All right, what's your bet on the old 95 Murray? I haven't featured this one on. I'm busier than a cat covered in its own SHIT and a sandbox lately. Let's see what this thing does. Choke on? I'm saying no. Let's see what she does. Oh, that's back. Not even a cough. That there. Man. All right. I get the battery box on this guy. It's that way. Nothing. All right. I'll try the other one. All right. Here's the Craftsman. So I did the right thing and didn't put any lights in my shed. So I have to use my cell phone light. I got to get like little lights I put up top here at some point. But sorry for the darkness. Let's try and get on this old girl, fire her up, get some of my stuff off it. It's been summarized, I guess you could say. This is my plow tractor. Summarized over the summer, and now we get her out in the winter. We'll see how she does. All right, I don't think she's going to do anything. We're going to choke it over here. Sorry for how dark it is. Let's get some half throttle. I just know where everything is on this thing. Okay. Nope, absolutely nothing. Battery box time. All right, folks, if you don't have one of these guys, these battery boxes, a good investment, good Christmas present, definitely a good thing to have. A lot easier to fire up your dead batteries or tractors if you got to get them going. I rely on this guy, so we're going to get a couple of these tractors rolling now. Okay, got the flash working now. All right, we got choke on over here. Yep, choke on. Hopefully that doesn't, flywheel doesn't hit it. We'll see what she does. Actually, I got to sit on it. Right, this will be fun. All right. Zoom that out for you guys a little bit. All right. Sometimes there's a switch that's, let's see here, not even coughing. Oh, maybe she's not hooked up right. Let's see here. Okay. Make sure that's in there. Nothing. Oh, we got lights. We got lights. See the tractor lights there? We got lights there, so that's good. There, I know it was something stupid last time. Okay. All right, let's see if she cranks now. I did a couple of adjustments. Full choke over here. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Smoky, but we are running. We're going to get her out of here a little bit. That's about half choke right now. Let's get her out. She's running. Third gear, second gear. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad for a, what is it, a 20 horsepower? Maybe a 21 horsepower friction strat. Don't sound great, but she pushes. Pushes real nice. Take her over here. Bit of a turning issue there. Let the plows handle that. There we go. That'll do. Put her back up. And we come back to reverse. There we go. Alright. Get our first run in there. Not bad. Alrighty. Let me get my gloves. What's going on, everyone? All right, I got the tripod set up and I have the microphone on. What you are all seeing, we got you out of the shed there with the old Craftsman here. This is a Craftsman lawn tractor, probably early mid-2000s. It's a Kohler 20 horsepower V-twin. All right, we're going to get some plowing going here on the Iron Nation garage. We got snow, probably about 4 inches, maybe 4 inches roughly. So let's crank up our idle. Okay, that's a little bit better of an angle. Oh, don't stall out on me. Oh, she doesn't stall out. This might be. I had her topped off. I had the ethanol-free fuel in there. Actually idling very nicely. Come on. There we go. All right, we're going to push these banks back a little bit here. Microphone's still working nicely. Now, I normally have the weight box mounted on the back here. I don't have it. It's been getting really good traction with the chains I have on there. We're in high gear. Let's see here. All right. So we're high gear. We got plow angle to the left. Going over to 6th gear on it. There we go. It'll push it. Pushes it nice. We're back into the grass there from what you can see. Crank it back a little further there. Just so I got enough room. Yeah, see, like I said, now we're downhill, chains on, and I'll clean the rest of that up. Get back out of this. There we go. Not bad. Spoke too soon. Looks like we threw a dry belt on the tractor. We're going to go down, look at it. It's down at the bottom of the driveway. Got a flashlight. We're going to see if we can get it back on. It's not snapped, but it's loose. So what do you think about it? Yeah, she's climbing, and now we're climbing the hill again. Climbing up nicely. Go. Just clean up over there a little bit. All right. Not bad. Looks good. Coming out real nice. All right, I'm underneath it now. The brake is locked, so it's a little tighter. You know, unlock that. This dry belt is very, very loose, so I think we've lost it around a pulley somewhere, I think, because it disconnected. And I've had this issue in the past before. We're gonna have to find out where. Let's take a look. All right, we're in the lake. We're gonna move the lake in. So what I think it is I popped it out of high and down into neutral on the high and low gear with my leg, and that's a common problem. Belt's intact, loose as anything, but it works. So let's move this lake in. Okay, that was the problem. So we're back in business. High and low gear. I went high, neutral, low. I knocked it into neutral. Not a belt issue, thank God. Is the way to close a video out. All right, hopefully you all enjoyed that video. Driveway looks really good. Came out nice. I'll zoom out a little bit here. I like my donut holes with the zero turn. Thanks everyone for watching Iron Nation Garage. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Have a good day.